Well, the Supreme Court is allowing the challenged Texas congressional redistricting plan to be used in next year's election, despite a lower court ruling that found the map likely discriminates on the basis of race and blocked the map from going into effect. Now, President Trump urged Texas Republicans to redraw the map, hoping to pick up 5 more seats in Congress. In the ruling, Justice Samuel Alito wrote that it was indisputable that Texas's motivation for redistricting was pure and simple partisan advantage, not illegal racial gerrymandering. He wrote the lower court improperly inserted itself into an active primary campaign, causing much confusion and upsetting the delicate federal-state balance in elections. Meanwhile, Supreme Court Justice Elena Kagan, along with the court's 2 other liberal-leaning justices, argued the court shouldn't have overturned the lower court ruling, stating, quote, "deserves the millions of Texans whom the district court found were assigned to their new districts based on their race," end quote. House Democratic Caucus Chair Rep KVUE disagreed with the ruling and says they will go back to the Supreme Court on a full appeal.
And we think that at the end of the day, when the Supreme Court sits in full and able to look at the evidence that the lower court has provided, and they see that the evidence is based on the Republicans' own statements, I think they will come back and side with us.
The Supreme Court's order puts the 2-1 ruling blocking the map on hold at least until after the High Court issues a final decision in the case. That process could take weeks or months, depending on whether or not the Supreme Court justices end up hearing oral arguments. And one of the lawmakers who is directly impacted by the new congressional map is U.S. Congressman Lloyd Doggett from Austin. Since the boundary for District 37 is changing, Doggett has previously said he plans to retire rather than run against fellow Democratic Congressman Greg Casar. Under the new map, Doggett and Casar would be drawn into the same district. Congressman Doggett has previously said he has no plans to run for statewide office, but will remain active in the Austin community.